When you go through the streets, you see everybody's wearing textiles, but the problems associated with them, they're not as clear. But when you go to a recycling facility or a storage facility, it just really gives you a different perspective on the whole topic.
The piled up clothing there was so immense and so huge that they just couldn't handle the amount of textiles being sorted out. And when you see then how much new stuff is produced, you're really going to question yourself, okay, but why and how can we tackle this problem? So our project is called Textiles and Us, as well as Textile Journeys.
The first thing is a book, and there we try to really inform individuals that try to shop more sustainably with textiles.
What's going wrong? Why is it happening? What happened in the past?
And also we give an outlook how it can be in the future, and there we really are then as individuals part of this whole project. So the second tool then for the designers was the card game that we created, which is called Textile Journeys. And there we didn't just focus on one specific part of the circle that is the textile industry. Well, it's actually more linear, but in that we zoomed out, and therefore we created 48 different cards that really is trying to help designers who don't have a clear overview over the textile industry.
We created 6 different categories, such as economy, social, or ecology, and those categories always have different subjects within themselves.
We have it on the rack, and they're formed like little t-shirts that you then can take off the rack, and then you can lay them out and kind of interact with them physically. So you then in the end have like a bunch of cards in the hand, which then give you kind of the starting points to design off from.
Instead, it's not like to pinpoint out like, okay, you have to do that or that, but it's more to create an awareness for, okay, if I have this card and there is, for example, I want to work with cotton, then I see, okay, cotton, maybe it's not that eco-friendly because it takes so much water in the process.
It's up to you to think along and develop your own ideas.
I wanted to make something educational in this project because I already have experience in the textile industry for 6 years now. Based on that, I know that we won't change the industry or behaviorism with another sustainably made t-shirt, but we really need to take action.
And since it's so complex, focusing on one project isn't really the solution, but the solution is giving designers the tool to create sustainable products.
Yeah.